Hello, people. And so there is this show called Dating Around that's on Netflix, and it came just yesterday. That is June 12th, whatever, Friday. So it's the, you know, like a show like Dating Around needs to be watched, should be watched simply since one understands that at the end of it, it is just the kind of person we are that counts. Uh, like that's what it's a personality that shines through. So because it's all about this one person, a guy or a girl, who dates like five people, like at different times he goes on they go on five blind dates, and then it is recorded, how the experiences are with the five different dates, and in the end it's just a 20-minute program, 23 minutes probably, and the person chooses the one that they've decided on, to date. Honestly, since it is much like this video, it's very fast paced, so I liked season 1 better. Season 2 is little, oh my god, you're trying to keep up with five different people they're going out on a date with. So it is interesting, but yeah, you can it's definitely worth a watch. So sorry, I have these tiny brats with me. It's a weekend, right? So I need to be my mommy duty begins. But really, so thank you so much, people, for the ones who are watching. It's just thank you. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.